It seems like generative AI is penetrating many industries and leading many a creative person to be a little worried. And here's Adobe to maybe change the way your images are edited and generated. Adobe has announced a new feature in Photoshop called Generative Fill, allowing a designer to use generative AI through a technology called Firefly. This is being called the first co pilot in creative and design workflows. As a designer, you could change content in your creation within seconds by just using text. With Adobe Firefly, you can generate images using a text prompt. So, you can enter a text prompt and create art. Firefly would try to interpret your prompt and provide 4 images. And with Generative Fill, you get to erase backgrounds and add new designs in a picture. You can select a particular area of an image and have that filled by AI with generated images using a text prompt. Should this worry designers? What does this mean for the future of design if AI can fill in parts of an image that you don't like? What do you think?